It says here that Welcome Citizen Service Center. I think it is not Welcome Citizen Service Center. I feel it is Welcome Citizen Torture Center. I think they should do something. Government should do something about it. Thank you.
What do you have to come to collect?
I had come for the change of name in the license. So it is still not done. I have to wait for one more hour and then I have to go to Penjim also for a meeting. I don't know. I'll have to cancel my meeting. Government.
Public are facing here. First, earlier it was a better deal wherein we used to go to the Mamladar, take a form 1 and 14. Within 5-10 minutes it was done. Similarly, in the city survey office, we used to go and collect the plans, pay the amount and immediately we used to get it. But now it is worse situation. People have to wait for 1.5 hours, 2 hours and even more. Sometimes the person is at 12 o'clock. He has to come in the evening for the same thing.
Regarding the payments for the suggestion to improve it would be that instead of asking us to make the payment here, you have the option of making the payment by cash, by debit card. Also, a payment by online method should be there. Today, everybody is using. The government says let's go cashless. Cashless did not mean you come and stand in the line and swipe your card over here. You can make an online payment where you can sit at home and do the payment. You don't have to come from the RTO office, which is 1 kilometer away from the Citizen Service Center, to make the payment over here. Waste another 2 hours over here. Citizen's Service Center at Margao. In fact, we have been receiving complaints for the last 1 year, but we thought that since it was just inaugurated, things would improve at the Citizens Service Center. But in fact, the things have only been getting worse day by day.